Hello, welcome back to case file 006. By the way, this is Real Talk Tarot, so stay tuned. So I have all the cards out for this case file. And to start it off, I'm going to be starting with the truth. So I got the Six of Pentacles in the upright, and this is saying setting up a proper life fund for yourself. Harmony is also happening, by the way. And this is a season of fair exchange. You're not meant to carry everyone's burdens. And for the undertone, the secrets that you may not know about, I have the Ten of Wands in the reversed. This is like money magnet through action. So moving on time and maybe relocating for your own reasons. Maybe you're moving, legitimately, you're moving. But overall, less gossip. And they see you. Oh, they see you. Oh, they see you. So I'm going to get into the past, present, and future now. And the past gave me the Ten of Cups in the upright. The present gave me the Three of Pentacles in the upright. The future gave me the King of Wands in the upright. And then I got the confirmation. For the past, I got the Eight of Swords in the reversed. Then I got the Six of Swords in the reverse for the present. Then I got the Two of Swords in the reversed, which I find very ironic for the future. 2 minutes on the clock, because I always see it at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the clock. So if that's significant to you, take it. But for the message, I got the Star card in the reversed. And the message is, you are a star. By the way, I'm getting into all these meanings after. I'm just laying them all out and showing you the cards. So that way you understand what's in front of me right now. So the Seven of Pentacles in the present for the method. This is the method. And I'm getting like savings. This is savings. Savings. This is generational wealth. And then I found the Queen of Wands in the future for the momentum. It was really hard for me to understand what this card like meant. Yeah, I didn't really understand what this meant. But then I realized I had the King of Wands in the future for the future. So when you think about it, there's a king and there's a queen. These are court cards in the tarot deck. So now I'm going to get into the message. The messages of what these cards mean. So for the Ten of Cups, 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Failure is only an interpretation from your own mind. So when you say I'm awesome, you're awesome. You're awesome. And allow the elements of the universe to do her thing. You have time, but also it is time. And for the present, the Three of Pentacles. Like I said, this was like savings because I had this as for the method. And this like team collaborations, but also be careful. You got to look over your options and choose wisely. Oh, wrong position. Choose wisely. And then for the King of Wands in the future, again, to sit without apologizing, to be able to sit there without saying, I'm sorry for just existing. And This involves long, hard contemplation, long nights of thinking too much as well. So letting it just be, you gotta let it just be instead of overthinking. And also find your lane. You should find your lane. This is kind of where the queen comes in. The queen knows what lane she's choosing. She knows where she's going. And she's also shedding through her layers, even the old ones. Always. Always. Just going through rebirths after rebirths. But that was the message overall that I got for this collective for case file 006 for Real Talk Tarot. And I'm going to do the blessing card because this is the final card that I have not looked at yet. And what is the blessing card saying for today? Ooh, the 9 of Wands in the reversed. And this is like personal creator, dreamer, doer. Yeah, like I was saying, you're almost there. But you should start now. Now. Yeah, that's what it's saying. There's promotions involved for whoever this collective is for. Finding yourself. Finding who you are. And this is the blessing. When you have a blessing card, you go throughout the day with this, and yeah. This is what you think back to when you're having a bad moment, having a trigger. You just think of the 9 of Wands and how this is creator energy. This is doer energy. This is you. This is you. You are a doer and you are an achiever. And you do whatever you put your heart to. Okay. So that was the end of case file 006. And I really hope you guys come back for the next case file when you're ready.